Hi, I'm Carl Hutter, the CEO of ClickBond, and for nearly 40 years, we've been in the business of delivering incredible solutions to industry that have revolutionized the way that aircraft, spacecraft, and other high-performance vehicles have been designed, manufactured, and maintained. Excitingly, the aerospace industry is at a real transformation point, with new sources of energy, business models, and vehicle types just around the corner. Aircraft are going to be built at a scale that we've never seen before in more places all around the globe that don't necessarily have a historic experience with aircraft construction and maintenance. That just adds to a workforce challenge that our industry is already facing. As a generation of skilled technicians retire and a new wave of talent is brought into our industry, these digital-first learners and digital-first doers will be far more accustomed to turning to an app or an electronic source of information than the binders or PDFs on a screen that their predecessors did. ClickBond is taking its experience at the front lines of aerospace assembly and maintenance. We're putting the most advanced and capable tools into the hands of the best talent that the world has to offer. We call these new tools ClickBond Digital Solutions. And we're fusing together the human talent, the connected tools, and the systems of record that underpin a strong manufacturing system, and combining them through data streams that will allow the human beings to receive in-context, validated work instructions. Mixed reality technology allows us to literally immerse the human talent in the information that they need to accomplish these technical tasks. Nothing's changed in ClickBond's commitment to supporting the technical talent by putting the very best ability to learn, the very best tools in which to execute the work, and the very best of information to support their confident and competent execution of that work. In turn, that lets ClickBond be a strong contributor to both the technical achievement, the economic competitiveness, as well as the construction and maintenance of these vehicles around the world to even higher standards of safety, quality, and performance.